Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will discuss the best 3D printers for businesses. These printer users should be well versed in business technology and have the necessary budget to make any 3D printing project successful. We all know that a quality 3D printer can make or break an artist's career, which is why it's important to choose the right one. To help you out, we have compiled a list of the top-rated 3D printers for business use. The 3D printer is used in condition for making objects or things of different shapes and sizes. They are used in various businesses, from aerospace to automotive, architecture to engineering, and more. For your need, we have also included the link to each printer in the description box below so you can buy them without the hassle. The best thing is that these links are updated daily to get you the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is MakerBot Replicator Plus Desktop 3D Printer. Get ready to experience easy, fast, and reliable 3D printing with the MakerBot Replicator Plus Desktop 3D Printer, the perfect solution for your business needs. With its 30% faster printing speed and 25% larger build volume than its predecessor, you can now create high-quality concept models quickly. The MakerBot Replicator Plus comes with a sizable factory-leveled build plate and a new grip surface for reduced warping and curling, ensuring that your prints appear perfect every time. The MakerBot Smart Extruder Plus results from 160,000 plus hours of rigorous testing and is designed to deliver dependable and consistent performance with superior results using MakerBot PLA, polylactic acid, material. The MakerBot Replicator Plus also features a suite of intelligent technology, including an LCD, onboard camera, and USB, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi connections, making it easy and accessible for anyone to use. The package includes the MakerBot Replicator Plus 3D Printer, Smart Extruder Plus, spool of PLA, flexible build plate, power and USB cables, and everything else you need to start with 3D printing. And if you need more, the MakerBot ecosystem offers a wide range of 3D printers, materials, and software. So if you want to buy the fast 3D printer for small businesses, check out the link in the description box. Number 2 is Architi Technology 3D Printers. The Architi Technology X-Max 3D Printer is a top-of-the-line machine that delivers exceptional results for businesses that need high-quality prints. The printer's innovative features and cutting-edge technology make it an excellent investment for optimizing its 3D printing experience. One of the most significant upgrades to the X-Max is its double-gear extruders that offer greater precision, better heat dissipation, and less clogging. Further, the printer's 2 extruders allow you to easily switch between filaments and print with PLA, TPU, ABS, PETG, nylon, carbon fiber, and other materials. Another standout component of the X-Max is its filament runout detection system, which notifies you when the printer runs out of filament. In a power outage, the printer saves the breakpoint, allowing you to resume printing from where you left off. The X-Max industrial-grade dual Z-axis support and 2-axis motors provide exceptional stability and precision, even when printing larger models. The printer's accuracy remains consistent even when printing continuously for more than 24 hours, making it perfect for the mass production of professional quality prints. If you are interested in the fabulous 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it. Number 3 is FlashForge 3D Printer. It introduces the ultimate tool to elevate your business to new heights, the FlashForge Creator Pro 2 3D Printer. With its cutting-edge technology, this powerhouse boasts 2 independent dual direct-drive metal extruders, allowing you to print 2 colors and materials simultaneously. Double productivity, double the possibilities. But wait, there's more! The Creator Pro 2 also features a heating bed that rapidly and steadily heats up to prevent model warping, allowing you to produce high-quality prints with various materials, including PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, wood, and PVA. And its anti-scrape design minimizes cross-contamination during dual-color printing, making it the perfect choice for industrial design, tool design, architects, and mechanical designers. At FlashForge, we believe in putting the customers first. We offer a 1-month free return and exchange policy, a 1-year warranty, lifetime technical support, and reliable 12-hour response service. Zero-risk purchase guarantee ensures your satisfaction and peace of mind. Experience the future of business with the FlashForge Creator Pro 2 3D printer. Join the FlashForge family today and unleash your creativity. If you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 4 is Anycubic Photon Mono Resin 3D printer. The Anycubic Photon Mono X 6K Resin 3D printer is an excellent choice for businesses that require top-notch 3D printing capabilities. This printer boasts a 9.25-inch monochrome screen, 138% larger than a typical 6-inch screen. This means you can print larger or multiple models simultaneously, improving your overall productivity. Moreover, the monochromatic screen lasts 4x longer than the RGB LCD screen, and the added scratch-resistant film further reduces maintenance costs. The high precision and resolution of the Photon Mono X 6K LCD screen are also noteworthy, with a resolution of 5760 by 3600 px and a contrast ratio of over 350. This results in sharp, detailed models that accurately capture the finer details. The Photon Mono X 6K's 40 bright LED lights are arranged in a matrix to provide intense and uniform exposure in every print layer, leading to superior print quality and accuracy. Further, the printer's max printing speed of 3.15 in/H is impressive, and the 6% light transmittance screen can print at a rate of 1s/layer, saving you significant time and cost. If you want to buy the Anycubic Photon 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it. Number 5 is High Accuracy 3D printer. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line 3D printer to boost your business to the next level, the number 4 pick is the High Accuracy 3D printer. This game-changer machine offers unparalleled precision and durability for high-intensity printing needs. One of the standout features of the high-accuracy 3D printer is its grain hotbed design, which ensures strong bonding and easy mold taking without any warping. This means you can print confidently, knowing your finished products will always be flawless. The printer also features high-strength materials built to last, so you can keep printing without worrying about wear and tear affecting the quality of your prints. The stable speed of the high-accuracy 3D printer ensures consistent results over long periods. Perhaps most impressive, the high-accuracy 3D printer provides 0.1mm high-accuracy printing, resulting in incredibly smooth surfaces, vivid details, and minor errors in the finished product. And this machine is as versatile as precise, with a 3.5 LED color display on the control panel and support for various consumables, including PLA, ABS, and wood. So if you want the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. I hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for business. If you like any of these best 3D printers, check out the link in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.